Hello, I'm Robert and welcome to my channel, where I discuss everything automated algorithmic trading, or simply algo trading. Last week was unimpressive, except Wednesday. So let's get straight to the chart and take a look at what's going on. Here we have last week on the chart, starting at Monday. Monday got the bit of a bump that we expected, but Tuesday just sat kind of flat for the day. But then Wednesday was beautiful. The volatility was amazing and brought in a large amount of profitability. The bulls did come back on Thursday and Friday, though not as impressive as previous weeks. Overall, though, the entire week was lackluster, really, with a few standout moments of volatility. But what really should be looked at isn't the chart, but the order book. The order book for starting for next week, or the session for a few hours from now, really is quite telling on what we could expect coming up in this next week. Resistance, for example, currently is at roughly 10% of the entire sell side of the order book. Not really the strongest, but a pretty good indicator that the bears are already wide awake and watching for something to happen. And that really does also get re-emphasized with the upper wick on last Friday's candle. But the action and the story really is in the buy side of the order book. Right now we have a very significant and interesting support system building up on that side. If we look at the current strongest point within the order book at 18% at 1.075, and then a second one at 1.077, these look rather normal compared to what we've seen previously, especially with the candle like this one a couple of weeks ago with a very strong bullish push. But the telling sign is the third level of support, all the way down to 1.065 at 11%. It's not clustered like we saw last week at 1.073. It's rather distant, comparatively speaking, to the other two support levels. This really is a key indicator that while the bulls expect a bit of a bump on Monday, that the rest of the week may not go in their favor. So they've set up a backup plan lower down in the order book. And we can see from the charting providing information for us that a lot of news events are going to happen this coming week. What those news events are really doesn't matter. All that matters is that the bulls expect that the news will go against them. And they are preparing ahead of time, setting up extra levels of support deeper down. So overall, I think we're going to see a bump on Monday, maybe Tuesday. But then once everything starts kicking in for these events, I think the bulls are going to see and expect the bears to take advantage of it. And we may see more days like last Wednesday or even the previous week where we get 3 or 4 days in a row with bearish dominance. The profits, though, were very good. Those retracements really did a wonderful job in bringing in the profits. And quite frankly, Wednesday was one of my most profitable days in quite a while. So I'm happy with the way the week turned out. And I expect next week won't be much different in terms of the ability to profit though I do see some concerns within the order book being so straddled as it is between three different levels. Let me know what you think. Share your thoughts. How was your week in trading? What was your favorite indicators that brought you the best profitability? Leave a comment. Please give this video a thumbs up and like it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, as it really does help me grow this channel. Thank you for watching.